Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building kit cars. Today we are going to do a grease gun change, we're going to build some shocks, and we're going to hopefully get some fluid in our differential. So last night I went down to the store, picked up a few things. We got some gear oil, some nice Lucas gear oil. Fill up our rear axle differential. Got some grease. I was told marine grease is a little bit better because it's waterproof, lasts a little longer. And I got some new Sharpies because my Sharpies worked good on paper, and but not so great on the metal. So I got some new ones. Hopefully that will work. The other thing I'm kind of realizing is my desk is just a disaster. So what I'm probably going to need to do is have like a staging desk, staging table, and then like finished products, you know, like they're not ready to go on the car, but they're finished and built. So like a finished table. So once I get this axle out of the way, I'll build up some extra tables so I can store some stuff and have it ready to go. First thing I did was change out the grease pack in my gun. This gun's like, I don't know, 20 years old. And it was really, it was leaking oil. I don't know if that was the original grease degraded over 20 years and leaking out. But what I ended up doing is taking the whole thing apart, cleaning it out, popping it in the new can. The way you switch these out is if you see in the back, this actually pulls all the way out like 10 inches. And then you cock it to where it sits into that hole and it stays open. And then you unscrew the top here. This comes off 100%, and you could pull the old grease tube out. Once that grease tube's out, you take the new one and you pull off the cap on one side, not the actual pull tab, but just the regular cap. Slide that off, stick that end down here, and then now you pop the top like a Coke can or whatever, or a Pringles can. Pop that open. I guess that would be an old school Pringles can because now it's all aluminum foil or something. Pop that open, screw this on, stick your plunger back in, and you're good to go. So there's 4 shocks on the car. I'm going to build the front shocks first, and then after that get a close-up on building the rear shocks so you can get an idea of what it takes to do.
Now on the differential, the first thing I thought I should do is verify the torque settings on the bolts, just to make sure, since it's brand new. Make sure nothing's weird from the factory. So I'm torquing those down, and then we're going to see about the fluid. The instructions didn't say much on the Moser, and I got some kind of fitting that I believe is a breather tube, or maybe it's a fill tube, I'm not really sure. So I'm going to do some investigation and get back on that one. But until next time, have a great day. See you in the next video.